Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you some super quick salon designs specially made for summer plus extra sugar effect. How to do that on the nail. It's super fast as well, super quick, which I think again is perfect for this summertime that's approaching us. Hopefully we will have some nice places to go to show off our nails, and yes, if you want to learn more about this, keep on watching. And if you want to learn how I did this beautiful ombre, also super quick, please check my previous video. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and let's jump into some beautiful designs. So before I start, I just want to show you what products I will be using. So I'm gonna be using for sugar effect, this is Mermaid Dust from Crystal Nails. You can use any product that you find it similar. Any type of small glitter will do. You can also use clear acrylic powder. You know, the options are really, you have a lot of options when it comes to nail art in general. So let me just take my color. I'm gonna be using Snow White from Yana Nails. You already seen me use this product. So this is Genie in the Bottle. So that means that Genie in the Bottle, it's a different collection. So this is not per se gel polish or gel color. This would be a mix between. I really love this consistency a lot. And let me just get my brush. I will be using Zero Long brush today. Okay, so if you want to learn more about how to start as a beginner with nail art, just to practice a little bit the moves, there is also another video of mine showing you how to do that. Okay, so I will start with we can create a small little palm tree or something because it is summer. Okay, so the reason as well why you need a little bit thicker consistency product is because for sugar effect you cannot flash cure, you cannot cure that color. Okay, so whatever you do before you sugar it, it needs to be still wet, so you cannot dry it. So that's why I think Genie in the Bottle is perfect for this type of technique, but we will just do sugar effect on one part of this design. Okay, I'm just pulling this down, and I will pop this in a lamp for 30 seconds. While this is drying, make sure that everything is not close to the table, so all the colors are closed. Powders are going to be okay if they're close to the light, but just make sure everything else is closed. As well, I mentioned in my previous videos a few of the brushes that I really love, so check that out. Definitely love Get Buffed brushes. I use them. They're my holy grail brushes for Disney nail art, so definitely check that out. And let's start with creating now the body of this palm tree. So first I'm gonna do a few lines here. Okay, I will now start to pull downwards just to create the illusion of the palm trees. You know, those little leaves. Same here, just a little bit downwards. You can make it thicker if you want. I like it when it's a little bit thinner and some gap between the leaves. But again, that is just my preference. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, I Hope it's visible here, and let's do the other one as well. Okay, now I will do the other side too, so pulling. Okay, as you see, I'm twisting my tip. If this was my client, I would turn her then in different perspective as well. And just pull. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, let's do this one. You gotta find whatever angle is more comfortable for you. And let's do the other one. Okay, so this is the part now that I'm not gonna put in a lamp. Instead, I will take my cuticle pusher. I will open my jar. 1 second. I will give this to cameraman just for 1 second to hold. Okay, while I open this, because I'm afraid not to touch color. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will put the lid here just so any excess color can, you know, we want to save it, so not to waste. So I will start to sprinkle this on top, just like this. Okay, now I will tap. Okay, and now I'm not gonna do anything. I'll leave it as it is, and let's pop it in a lamp. Full curing time. Also, when it comes to sugar effect, you will now see how it looks like. You don't put a top coat usually on top of what you don't put a top coat on top of the sugar effect. It will last normally. If you do, you can, but then you lose that whole effect that you're actually trying to get, kind of 3D glitter on some parts of the nail. Especially, I think it's super pretty when you have matte background. So when it comes to sugar effect, when I do it on the clients, I don't put a top coat on top of that. Okay, a few seconds left until this is dry. I'll just take a little sip of my tea. Okay, so this is dry, so I'm gonna take my dust brush and I'm just gonna dust off. Perfect. Okay, I don't know, is it visible? Coming here, where the sparkle is. If it's not, we will film with the other camera as well. If it's not visible on the camera, I will definitely snap a photo of this so you can see better. It's just because we have a lot of lights surrounding me, so I don't know if it's catching too much on the light, so it's not visible, but I'll have a photo in any case. So that's how you do it. That's how you get the nice, lovely sugar effect. This is nice, simple, quick nail art idea for the summer, just to get you going and to practice. You can add a few birds if you want. You can add the sea if you want. I mean, options are really endless, but I just wanted to show you super quick salon work, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do recreate this, don't forget to tag me, show me what you did, and have fun with it. Nail art is all about the fun. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you super much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.